coding has become one of the most essential skills for the tech people, in which Python is the most popular coding and programming language. The popularity of Python is so high that according to Google, there are globally 15.7 million Python developers. But are they all getting hired? That's a big no. Because most people who say they know Python or they learn Python cannot get further than the conditional statements or get stuck in the loops concept, ending up in the infinite loop. And here's the brutal truth. If you are into tech and you don't know how to code properly, AI will easily replace you. The new GPT-5 and Claude are able to write Python codes far more better than humans, which makes it even hard to stand out from the crowd. What most people do is they learn Python from tutorials and copy the code line by line and hope that they will get something. But what it does is they just memorize the code. They don't learn any programming. And when they have to face a real actual problem, they are stuck and they are blank. Here's the truth. 80% of the Python programmers quit Python not because Python is too hard, it's because they learn the Python in a wrong way, and hence it makes it essential for the people to learn Python in a right way so that they can develop coding skills. Hello everyone, I'm Mayank, and in this video I'll try to help you guys to learn Python in a right way, as I'm a Python programmer myself. As I always say in my videos that to learn Python you don't actually need to become a programming bug yourself. You need to apply 80-20 rule to it, which says 20% of the concepts can give you 80% of the results. Here are the only 20% concepts which you need to learn in Python to become a decent or a great programmer, which includes syntax and data types, operators, control flows, functions, basic input-output, error handling. That's all. That's all you need to learn in Python to become a good coder yourself. These are the only concepts which are used in most of the complex programs. And I will suggest if you are a total beginner and you don't know anything about coding, you should learn it from Code with Harry. I learned most of my Python coding from him only. Now while learning Python, the next thing you need to do is you don't have to wait for a learning session of Python to end to build something. Build it while you are learning it. That's how you get the concepts in your brain embedded. If you don't build projects or write codes while you are learning it, you will end up copy pasting the code and not actually getting anything. There are very simple and easy projects which can give you a high value understanding of Python, such as when you learn loops, you can make an easy guessing game from it. Or when you get about functions, you can make calculators from it, or you can even make a rock paper scissors game. It's really fun and very easy to implement. And I highly recommend you to use ChatGPT and DeepSeek as your coding tutors. When you are writing code and you get a doubt about it, that if it's right or wrong, or even you are getting an error in it, you can just copy paste the code in ChatGPT and ask it to correct the code or tell you that where you went wrong writing it. Also, it can generate a total new code for you, but that won't be really helpful for you to learn the skill yourself. If you just continue with the process I just mentioned, in just 2 to 3 weeks you will be able to write Python programs by yourself. And once you feel confident enough to write more complex codes, make a mini project. Make a set of your own projects. This is where ChatGPT again comes in. You can go to ChatGPT and type that, hey, I have learned Python and I want you to give me some mini project ideas. And ChatGPT will give you a ton of project ideas. You can choose whichever goes the most relevant with you. Now here is a mistake that most programmers do. They learn something and move on. And of course this slip. Programming is a skill, not a theory that you can memorize it forever. Consistency is the key to success. You have to practice it again and again until you get it perfectly. Once you learn, start building from the scratch. Make as many projects as you can. Make yourself a portfolio which can be presentable to anyone. And at the very end, review your code. That is the code really good? It is really presentable to anyone? Can you make it better? Can you make it work faster? And is it really clean? So I have tried my best to provide you a right way to learn Python. I have learned Python from this way only, and trust me, this works. So here's your catch. Start learning today, create projects, and optimize the tools available to you. If you think the video was informative, like the video, subscribe, keep learning, and I will see you in the next one.